Mlbe Professional Tiller Production Line Overview. Engine and gearbox side cover bonding. Mechanical superglue for great bonding and airtightness. Gearbox accessories and screws installation. Gearbox clutch chassis installation and commissioning. Gearbox chassis accessories commissioning. Gearbox oil dipstick inspection and installation. Gearbox chassis installation finalization. Tiller control cables installation. Clutch, reverse cables installation. Tiller fuel and oil filling and working testing. Engine 1 pull start function testing. Walk forward and reverse and gear shift function testing. Tiller final inspection, installation and debugging. Anti-rust process before packing. Tiller packaging process. Packaging and sealing before delivery.